Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remember what you studied in medical school. First, embrace active recall by consistently testing yourself on material. This method significantly strengthens your memory pathways. Combine this with spaced repetition, reviewing topics at increasing intervals over time. This powerful duo helps move information from short-term to long-term memory, ensuring you retain complex medical concepts for years to come. Moving beyond simple memorization, focus on deep understanding. Try explaining difficult concepts aloud, as if teaching a classmate. This process forces you to elaborate and clarify your thoughts. Additionally, link new information to real-world clinical cases whenever possible. This contextualization makes the material more meaningful and easier to recall during exams and in practice. Effective organization is key. Develop concise summaries or digital flashcards for each topic, focusing on high-yield information. Visual aids, such as diagrams and flowcharts, can simplify intricate physiological pathways or disease processes, making them easier to remember. Dedicate at least 20 minutes daily to review these materials, especially focusing on areas where you feel less confident. Finally, your lifestyle profoundly impacts memory. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep is crucial for memory consolidation. Regular physical activity, even just 30 minutes most days, boosts brain health and reduces stress. Incorporating mindfulness or short meditation sessions can also improve focus and reduce mental fatigue, helping you absorb and retain more information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.